Well, good morning, my friends. So, what I want to talk to you about right now is what you, and yes, what you can do with private money, whether you're a real estate investor, and even for you guys and gals who are real estate agents. I want to show you some things that we've done in the last 30 days and how, when you tap into private money and understand the value proposition that you add to private lenders as a real estate investor or as an agent, things that you can do your business, take it to the next level. So what I want to do is give you a quick snapshot of what we've done in the last 30 days just by being able to leverage these relationships that we have with private money lenders. So in the last 30 days, we've bought rentals, right? We bought some rental properties, always adding rental properties to our portfolio. We've bought some flip properties, of course. That's what we still do a lot of those deals. It's about 60% of our business. We funded a new construction deal. We're actually building a house that we're going to break ground on here in the next week or two. That's all 100% with private money. And that deal is with accrued interest, meaning we're not going to make payments on that deal during the construction time. Think about the impact that could have on your business as an investor or your client's business, right? If you're operating as an agent. We've done loans to other investors and agents on our team here at EXP. We've actually been able to fund loans for them with our private lenders. And we're actually under contract to buy a mobile home park. This is going to be our second mobile home park that we've bought in the last few months, all with 100% private money. And so why am I sharing this video? So next week, we're having our next Agent Investor Pro workshop. So this is for you guys operating as investor agents, right? So you may be focused on more on one side of the business than the other, but no matter how you're operating in this capacity, there's a way that if you can tap into private money, and which you can, right? When you know how to cultivate relationships, when you know how to secure the deals, when you know how to add value to that private lender, I'm going to tell you that private money is essentially attracted to two things. It's attracted to good deals and trustworthy people, right? So what we're going to be sharing next week is how you can grow your business for your own deals, with some of your clients' deals, with the power of private money. So it's all about how to build a private money pipeline. Love for you to come out. Join us October 17th. You need to get registered. Go to agentinvestor.pro/workshop. Get signed up. This is a free event. And we actually are giving away, I wrote a book about this, Private Lender Playbook. We're going to give 5 copies of this book away to people who register and show up first, because, like, let's just be honest, the business world rewards the action takers, those who take action and just show up. So this is what you can do with private money. I know this because this is what we've done the last 30 days, right? And so I know that you can do it whenever you have the right skill sets, right? The right training, the right steps to take, and that's what we're going to be sharing with you next week. Agentinvestor.pro/workshop, how to build a private money pipeline for your deals or your clients' deals. So get registered. Come on out. We're going to have a good time. Got a lot to share. We actually have a very, very big surprise. I've got a guest speaker who has used to be really, really big in the speaking circuit. He's kind of taken some downtime, kind of been off doing his own thing, but he's coming back out to share something very special as well at this event. So I hope you can register and come on out. We'll talk to y'all later.